Indonesia. Las Marinas, Cavite. Maraming available po na house and lot for sale here at Indonesia. Yan. Indonesia City, Las Marinas, Cavite. Inquire na po. Tapat po ng Sogo Hotel. Ayan po. Tapat lang po siya along highway lang po. Malapit lang po to sa SM Palapala. Good morning everyone. Have a blessed Monday. Naambon. Pupunta pa ako ng office. Maganda po rito. Good morning po. Aga ko yata. Good morning, sir. Meron po kaming PKS.
Okay po. Anong rente kayo?
Edge and Edge. Edge and Edge Real Estate.
Wala po pa, hintayin na po.
Opo, thank you po. Morning po. Ayan po. Ito yung mga available house and lot for stay nyo. Ito po yung Aria Townhouse. Ayan. Aria Townhouse. Ito naman yung Gaia. Ito naman yung Gaia 2-story single detached. Ito naman ang Thalia 2-story single attached. At ito naman yung Yuri 2-story. Yuri 2-story single attached. At ito naman yung Hasu 2-story single attached. At ito ang Fuji 2-story single detached. So, ako pa lang nandito. Meron kaming seminar. Project knowledge seminar po kami. So, ako po yung early bird. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you around.